everybody, this is Howard Shires, Roof Tune-Up Tech. Today he's performing a roof tune-up, and as part of the roof tune-up, we caulk and seal the HVAC pipes on the roof, which Howard is doing right there. You can also see on this ridge vent some nail pops. Howard's going to take care of these nail pops as well.